Alright, so I'm finally getting around to showing you how this Wylera hair curler works. I'm sorry it's taken so long, but I haven't really gone anywhere to curl my hair. So I'm giving it a whirl and we'll see how we go. Okay, so I've split my hair. I've got the rest behind me and I've got the front pieces into two pieces. So all you have to do is put the hair inside here, press the button, and it eats your hair. Once it beeps, you can let go of the button and it beeps until it's ready to go. You can preset it to how long you want it on for and the heat as well, which is pretty cool. Okay, so that's all. And then I'll do another one. And obviously I'm not going to wear my hair in a curl like this. I'll brush it out and I'll just show you in a minute after I do my whole head. Alrighty, there's another one. Okay, so I'm gonna stop it here and I'll come back when I've finished. Okay, so this is the finished product. I have combed it out with a wide tooth comb because I'm not into like super hectic tight ringlet curls. So yeah, it's just got like a nice wave to it now, which is what I was aiming for. Yeah, so it's super easy. It's literally so easy. I'm really bad at using a curling iron to make curls, so this is an amazing alternative for me. I've got a discount code, it's ALEDA20, which will give you $20 off, and it's free shipping within the whole of Australia, and it only takes about 2 days to get to your house as well, which is awesome. So yeah, if you want one, I suggest you go on and grab one. Super easy. See ya.